Question 1. PS. There are 5 red balls and 6 blue balls in a jar. One ball is selected at random from the jar, then replaced, and another ball is then selected at random from the jar. What is the probability that the first ball is red and the second ball is blue? Solution. With a replacement. This means that the first selection has been returned to the group or has been replaced by another identical item before the second selection. We have to find the probability that the first ball is red and the second ball is blue if the jar contains 5 red balls and 6 blue balls. Note, the denominator does not change because this is a replacement question. So, we have to choose 1 out of 5 red balls the first time and 1 ball out of 6 blue balls the second time. The number of balls is 11 for each of the selection. Also remember the word "and" tells us we will need the product of the two probabilities. Probability of choosing a red ball first. We can choose 1 out of 5 red balls in 5 choose 1 ways. And total ways to choose 1 ball out of all 6 plus 5 equals 11 balls is 11 choose 1. Therefore, the probability is 5 choose 1 over 11 choose 1, which is equal to 5 over 11. Probability choosing a blue ball second. We can choose 1 ball out of 6 blue balls in 6 choose 1 ways. And total ways to choose 1 ball out of all 6 plus 5 equals 11 balls is 11 choose 1. Therefore, the probability is 6 choose 1 over 11 choose 1, which is equal to 6 over 11. Thus, the required probability is 5 over 11 times 6 over 11, which equals 30 over 121. E is the correct answer. Answer: E.